What is up, guys? We're going to be gaming on the Pixel 4. So let's go ahead and get started with Call of Duty Mobile.
You need to suck my dick.
Sniper down! Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Sniper eliminated! Sniper down!
Next game we have on here is Fortnite, and just to show you the settings and stuff, go to settings. We're on epic, 30 frames. See if we can't go to 60 frames. Yeah, so we can go to 60. We can't go to 60 on here. Medium. No, I guess it's capped at 3D resolution. Turn that all the way up. Alright, so we have Fortnite booted up, and like I said, we have everything maxed out. So the game looks beautiful on this display, and what I love about gaming on here is definitely the screen size. It's a smaller screen, so you don't have to really have big hands to be able to reach everything quickly. So the game is playing fine. It is a little jerky here and there, but it seems playable most definitely on the highest settings. I don't play this game, so trying to figure out how you even play this game. I just don't like the controls on this game. But the phone is not getting hot at all. What is going on? No clue what's going on in this game. So I mean, it is playable at high settings. Again, like I said, it is a little jerky sometimes. Yeah, see, I don't like the controls on here. Oh, I got him. Oh, I'm out of bullets. What? As we're in PUBG Mobile, and of course we're on high settings. Go ahead and show you HD. You can go to HDR, Ultra, Extreme. Very smooth. So I'm not experiencing any lag. And it seems pretty smooth. Oh my god. I think I'm dead. What the fuck? What? I'm gonna beat this guy. Oh my god. So stupid. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. It's very smooth. I have no issues with lag or anything like that. And graphics look great. Can't really complain. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.